Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your iPhone and iOS support Apple Wallet because compatibility prevents wasted steps. Next, sign into the loyalty account or locate the barcode in the retailer app or email. You'll need login info or the card image. Once ready, open Wallet and tap the plus sign to add a card. You'll see options. Choose Scan Code or Enter Details depending on the merchant. Move deliberately and make sure the camera captures the code clearly. Now you scan or enter the loyalty information. You scan code if you have a barcode or QR, hold your phone steady in good light and center the code. If the scan fails, choose manual entry and type the account number and name exactly as the retailer shows, because typos cause verification errors. After entry, follow on-screen prompts to accept terms and complete any verification. Sometimes a one-time code or email confirmation is required. Once accepted, the card is added to Wallet. Finish by setting preferences. Choose the card as default if you want quick access, enable notifications and location-based prompts for automatic display at the store. Test the card at checkout, open Wallet and present the barcode, or let staff scan from your screen. If the card doesn't appear or scan fails, remove and re-add it, update the retailer app and iOS, and verify account details. If problems persist, contact the loyalty program's support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.